Hey, it's me again. So I took off a door and tried to put it back on, and the actual wood for the screws is stripped. So to combat that, let me show you here. To combat that, it's a little trick that I used in the field while working. Zip ties. So take the zip tie, which if you guys seen this before, y'all already know. Put it in the hole, you kind of cut it to an angle, just a little slight cut to it. Little slight cut. Stick it in the hole, cut it at that point. Leave it out about that much. You're gonna do that for all of them. You want to make sure that you get it right underneath the little zip tie. So you heard that? See that? Once you hear that, you know that it didn't caught. So you get another one, kind of put a little cut on it, a little slit, stick it in there, cut it at that angle. Then you want to do the other one, a little slit, put it in there. And it's it'll hold, you don't need no. There you go. Got one more. Yeah, so you can do this pretty much in regards to any hole. Okay. Hold on, let me let you hear the click. Hear that? Once you hear that, good to go. Nice solid door. Closed perfectly. Follow, like, and subscribe. Look at the rest of my videos. There's only a couple. I'm trying to come up. Deuces.